Drone is also called as
UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle.
இது drone ஓட இன்னொரு நேம். இப்போ drone-க்கு தனியா ஒரு full form இருக்கு. அதாவது abbreviation. So dynamic. Dynamic means it's a motion. So there are two types of motion: static motion, dynamic motion. So the chair is in static motion. Static motion is there any movement, rest motion. Dynamic movement means
it's moving. It's not in rest motion.
It's in motion. So drone is in motion, right?
Yes, sir.
So dynamic. It's operating through remotely. We are operating it, right? So operating, and we are navigating it. Navigation, and it's a equipment. So DRONE. Dynamic, remotely operating, navigation and equipment. This is the full form of drone. Remotely operating.
Dynamic, remotely operating, navigation and equipment.